TCS sample paper solution or TCS assessment tests. Okay, the first question is Jack is faster than Paul. Paul and Jack each walk 24 km. The sum of their speed is 7 km and the sum of time taken by them is 14 km. Then Jack's speed is equal to, first of all we have to know Jack is faster than Paul and the sum of their speed is 24 km and the time taken by both is 14 hours. Okay, this is the solution. Let Jack walk speed x km per hour and Paul walk speed 7 minus x km per hour. Then Jack time takes t hours, then Paul takes 14 minus t hours. Both walk 14 kilometers, so because of both walk 14 kilometers, so Jack's speed equals to the Jack's distance equals to the Paul's distance. So x into t is equal to distance of Jack, and 7 minus x into 14 minus t is the speed of Paul. So we calculated that solution and we got t equals to 24 by x. So putting the value of t in equation first, then we got x equals to 3 or x equals to 4, because we know Jack is faster than Paul, so obviously value of x is 4. That means the speed of Jack is 4 km per hour and the speed of Paul is 3 km per hour. Next question is, a cow and a horse are bought for 2 lakhs. The cow is sold at a profit of 20% and the horse is sold at a loss of 10%. The overall gain of 4,000. The cost price of cow is, this is the solution. The cost price of cow, let us cost price of cow x, then horse price is 2 lakhs minus x. Now the overall profit is 20%, then 120 into x by 100 plus 2 lakhs minus x by 100 into 19 means 10% loss because of minus 10 equals to total sold means he gained 4,000, so 2 lakhs plus 4,000, and we can calculate that expression. We found x equals to 8,000. It is the price of cow. Next question is, a lemon and an apple together cost 12 rupees. A tomato and a lemon cost 4 rupees, and a lemon and an apple cost is 8 rupees more than tomato or a lemon. Then which of the following can be the price of that lemon? Okay, so lemon plus apple equals 12 rupees, tomato plus lemon equals to 4 rupees, apple equals to lemon plus 8 because apple price is 8 rupees more than lemon. So we calculated that equation, we got lemon equals to 2 means price of lemon equals to 2 rupees per lemon. But George does 3/4 of piece of work in 9 days. Then he calls Paul and they finish the work in 4 days. Then how long would Paul take to work by himself? Okay, this is the solution. George 3/4 work do by the George in 9 days, so total work do by the George is 15 days. So remaining work is equal to 1 minus 3/5 equals 2/5. 2/5 work done by 4 days by both George and Paul. Now George take whole work to complete it in 14 days. So how much work completed in 4 days by George is 4/15. So John do in 4 days equals to 2/5 minus, because total work is 2/5 minus 4/15 which is done by George is equals to 2/50. This is the work done by John, and in 4 days John do 2/15, hence total work done by the John is, calculate that expression and got 13 days. Which of the following number must be added into 5,678 to give the remainder of 35 when divided by 460. Okay, so the solution, first of all we have to think about that this is the even number and multiple of 10, so and got a remainder 35. So we first of all you must whatever the number is added into this, the unit place must be 5. So if you added 8 plus 8 means this one, sorry, means this one, if you added this one, then you can got 6 at a unit place. If you add this one, then you can got 8 at the unit place. If you added this one, then you can got 13 at the unit place. But if you add 7 9 7, then you can got 5 at the unit place. So whenever we divide this number to this, then you got 35 remainder whenever you add this one with this one. Okay, so next slide is, what is the distance in centimeter between the parallel chord of the length itna and itna in the circle? 20 centimeter. Okay, first of all we have to draw a circle. Okay, drawing, the radius of the circle is 20 centimeter, so total diameter is 14 centimeter. The first chord is 32 centimeter and the second chord is 24 centimeter. So just draw a perpendicular to the first and second, and we use a theorem, Pythagoras theorem, and you got the value of here to here is, you got the value of here to here is 12 centimeter from here. Okay, and you got the value of here to here is, means this triangle, value of this is 12 and value of this is 40 20 and got 16. Okay, so the difference between two chords, between two chords is 16 minus 4, and means 4 centimeter is the answer. Okay, the next one is two full tank, one shaped like a cylinder and other shaped like a cone, contain a liquid. The cylindrical tank contain 500 liter more than the conical tank. After 200 liter of fuel is pumped out from each tank, the cylindrical tank now contains twice amount of the fuel in the conical tank. How many liter of fuel did the cylindrical tank have when it is full? This is the solution. First of all, conical tank contain x liter, then cylindrical tank contain x liter, then conical tank contain x minus 500 liter. After the 200 liters pumps out from the each, then the equation formed like that, x minus 200 into 2, because it is twice x minus 500 minus 200, and whenever you solve this expression, we got the value of x is 1200, and the value of x is actually the value of cylindrical tank whatever it is filled initially. To find the probability that a leap year chosen at random will have 53 Sunday. Okay, first of all we know the total Sunday in a year is compulsory or mandatory is 52. Okay, so we got a 53 Sunday. Then first of all we have to find the how many days in a single leap year is 366, divided by 7, because in a 1 week we got 7 days, so the remainder is 2. So the probability of the Sunday is 2 by 7. easy one. Okay, next consider the sequence 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 5 minus 6. What is the average of first 200 terms of the sequence? Okay, this is the solution. 1 minus 2 we got minus 1, 3 minus 4 we got minus 1, 5 minus 6 we got minus 1 dot 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 100 times. Means if you add this thing, then you got minus 100 by 200, because we have to find the average. Then 1 by minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 0.5. Next one is the value of the scooter depreciating each in such a way that its value at the end of each year is 3/4 of its value at the beginning of the same year. If the initial value of the scooter is 14,000, what is the value at the end of 3 year? Okay, this is the solution. First we have to find initial value is 14,000, first year 3 by 4, second year 3 by 4, third year 3 by 4, and after evaluating this expression we got the value 16,875. Value of scooter after 3 years is decreased. This is the decreased value. Whatever the decrease in 3 years is equals to 40,000 minus 16,875 is equals to 2,000, 20,000, 23,125. Raj earned 25% of an investment but lost 10% of another investment. If the ratio of the two investments is 3:5, what is the gain or loss on the two investments taken together? Okay, this is the solution. First of all, if we put it 3:5 like a 300 and 500, so 300 into earn 25% means 125 by 100 plus loss 10%, 90 by 100 into 500, and solving this expression we got the result 825, means percentage profit equals to 25 minus 25 by 800 into 100 by 3.125. This 800 comes from 300 plus 500. A man goes upstream at a distance of 10 km in 5 hours. Another man goes downstream the same distance of 10 km in 3 hours. What is the difference in speed of two men if the river speed is 0.5 km per hour? Okay, this is the solution. First of all, a man goes upstream means speed of man is x minus 0.5 into 5 because it takes 5 hours to complete 10 km distance. Then after solving this expression we got value of x is 2.50, and another man goes downstream with a speed of y km per hour plus 0.5, which is the speed of the stream, into 3 because it takes to complete 10 km for 3 hours, means 3y plus 1.5 equals to 10. Resolving this equation we got the result of y was 2.83. The difference of speed is 2.83 minus 2.50 equals 0.33. Okay. Raj drives slowly along the perimeter of the rectangle park is 24 km per hour and complete one full round in 4 minutes. If the ratio of the length to the breadth of the park is 3:2, what is the dimension? This is the solution. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into a plus b, means length plus breadth. Length plus breadth ratio is 3:2, means 3x plus 2x is equals to 24 km. This is the distance, okay, which is covered by the Raj. 24 into takes 4 minutes, so 4 by 60 to convert in hours into 1000, because kilometer per hour that convert into the meter is this one. Okay, after solving this expression, we got value of x is 160. So 160 is the value of x, then 3x is equals to what? 480, and 2x is equals to 320. Okay. A man A and B start from their house of 10 am. Okay, here A and here B start from their house is 10 am. Okay, they travel from their house on MG road at 20 km per hour and 40 km per hour. Okay, there is a T junction on their path. A turns left the T junction at 12 o'clock. B reach the T junction earlier the turn right. Both the continue traveling till 2 p.m. What is the distance between A and B at 2 p.m. Okay, so B start traveling toward T junction at a speed of 14 km per hour at 10 o'clock, and A start walking toward T junction with a speed of 20 km per hour. So A takes 2 hours to reach T. So the total distance between A to T is 14 hours. So 14 kilometers. So 14 kilometers completed by T, completed by A takes 1 hour. Then it's A comes here at, B comes here at 11 o'clock and turn right and walk up to 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And from T to 12 o'clock, then it's cover 120 kilometer and its cover will be 14 kilometer because its speed is 20 kilometer per hour. So in 2 hours it complete only 14 kilometers. So total difference of distance between A and B is 120 plus 40 equals to 60 km per hour. Okay, that's is clear. Oh, this is given. We have to find the number of zero present in this expression. So this is the solution. 1 0 we got 5 into 2 means minimum number of 1 5 and 1 2 is there to got a 1 0. So in this expression there are 9, total number of 5 is 9. So total number of 0 present in this expression will be 9. This is also a simplest one. The price of commodity is 100 plus 0.18 on the nth day 2007, n equals to 0 to 100. The remain and then remain constant. On the other hand, the price of another commodity in rupees per kilometer 89 plus 0.15 in on the nth day of 2007, n equals to 1 to 365. On which day in 2007 will be the price of these commodities will be equal. Okay, so this is the solution. After 100 days, first commodity is 100 plus 0.1 n become 110, and the second commodity is 89 plus 0.15 n become 104. That means within 100 days it can't be equal. Okay, so move further and use hit and try method. For let us check for my 20. In my 20 we got the total number of days 31 in January, 28 in February, 31 in March, then 30 is April and 20 in May. So total number of days present in up to May 20 is 140. Then just put the value of 140 into 89 plus 0.15 in expression we got 110 means May 20 we got the price of the first commodity and second commodity will be equal. Its first commodities remain constant because already given in the question after completed 100 days the value of the first commodities will be constant because after completed 100, that's why. So how many days, how many way can 7 different objects divided in 3 portions so that either 1 or 2 of them do not get any object? Okay, means the question tell us we can't give 3 object, all object, means we can't give 7 different object to the 3 person at a time. Okay, the person that either 1 or 2 of them do not get any object, means P1 get all object, P2 get all object, P3 get all object, P1 P2 get all object, P2 P3 get all object, P3 P1 get all object. After the solving this, we got 84. How many way can the letter of English alphabet be arranged so that there are 7 letters between A and B and no one is separated? Okay, this is the solution. Between A and B we put 7 letters of 24 from 24 letters, so 24 P7, and after the putting P we have only 18 letters, so we have to arrange 18 letter. It is the 18 factorial, so total number of pages is 24 P7 into 18 factorial into 2. 2 is the combination of A and B, because we put here also and A put here also and B put here also, that's all. Okay, 2 vertices A meter and B meters, height stand apart on horizontal day. The height is meter of the point of intersection of lines joining the top of each pole to the bottom of the other pole. Okay, length of first pole is 2 meters, length of second pole is 8 meters. The line joining of first pole to the second pole, we have to find the length of the line joining first pole to the second pole, but we can't have the value of base. We can't have the value of base, means at what distance that poles are situated. So the answer is cannot be determined because not knowing the distance between the bottom of the poles. Okay. Next one is, in this equation a to the power b, expression fx is equals to that, and the remainder when divided by f of x to the power 7 by fx. This is the solution. If fx is equals to 1 plus x, then f of x 7 is equals to x to the power 7 plus 1, and dividing by x plus 1 to x to the power 7 plus 1, we got remainder as 0. X to the power 1, okay, this is the expression x square minus x minus 1 to the power x plus 2. Put the value of integer first of all to check which value is satisfied this equation. So x equals to 0, then we got the value equals to 1, means 0 will be satisfied. Put x equals to 1, we got the value of minus 1, that means it will be not satisfied when put x equals to 1. X equals to 2. After solving the equation, we got value equals to 1, so it also be satisfied. X equals to minus 1, we got the solution 1, it also is satisfied. X equals to minus 2, we got the solution of 1, it also is satisfied. So 4 values satisfied, and this is the easiest one. A, B, C are not negative integer such that 28a plus 30b plus 31c equals 365. Then a plus b plus c is what? This is basically 28a means this is the a year. Means in a year is has 365 days, and this is the solution like that. 28 days in a February only show 1 month, 13 days in we find into the 4 month, and 31 days we find into the 5 months. So total total sum of A, B and C is 1 plus 4. So it's wrong, I think so. Here is 7. Okay, so just by the solution. Here is 7. Okay, so that's one also is 7, because we know in a year the 31 days of the month will be 7. So 1 plus 4 plus 7 equals to 12 is the answer. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, bye.